guys, it's Dylan. Well, Gaming Pickle back again, and today we're playing Ninja Legend. This game is called Ninja Legends, like I said, and so many things you do in it. You unlock islands, get swords and fighting stuff to get ninjutsu. Ninjutsu is the place of money. There's bosses. In the duel. 4, 3, 2, 1, action. Who is gonna battle me? Yeah, he's dead. How did it? I had no idea that was coming. Oh, I didn't win the duel, guys. You know, just been a new update. I'm ready to check it out, but first, I'm gonna get all of my chest. A bobber. I have 18 double jumps if you see down here. Sorry you can't really see my face. It's a little see-through. It's a billion cheese. That's what I'm talking about. I wonder what the other chests are gonna be like. Let's make it quicker. And also, this island does not have a chest, so I'm going to skip that island. 9. Did you see what I saw? That's like the second wish chest. Guys, I'm gonna have a lot of cheese. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna maybe get 200 days now. Because that was like mind blowing. And also, I'm wearing the comfiest shirt ever and it has the most. Alright, since those were. But it's not really care. 10 octillions. I'm scared. I'm scared that once, like, yo, I got 100 gems. What? And 500 souls. Another 100 gems. Okay, whatever goes with me. Now, yeah, 400. I guess that worked. I have no idea what's happening. Please. I forgot this one. Since that one was times 4 billion. Not just this one. I actually want to know. It used to be in Bill. Yeah, I think this is gonna be good for me. Yeah, I'm gonna have How much is this? How many souls? How many souls? This one is the silver and not as much. Like a normal. You check back in 6 hours for your next reward. I thought that was like German legends. I'm in the next one. And that's it. Octopus. Samurai Santa boss. You must be wearing Ninja Legend quest to fight this boss. Sorry, I never. Ah! This is so sad. Where's him? That's no. It's right there. I will take it. Somebody tell me what's going on. Did I do Ancient Inferno? No, I am not trying to do it. No, I'm not. Did I do Ancient Inferno? And no. Oh my. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put that one. Mythical. No, Midnight Shadow Island. The chances appear. Yeah, I'm totally gonna have a good time. Please help me. Someone tell me how much tea I'm gonna have by then this day. Mythical Soul Island. Please give me enough comma. Dot comma. The white one gives me minus. Yes, I have enough. I have enough. I have enough. I have enough. So now I'm. Oh, I was going to do this so I could go to the winter wonderland. Alright. Please have enough. Please have enough. I didn't even have enough. I thought I was on the way. How much is the next? No. I could buy that. Oh, do you see? I'm gonna have to do a lot of grind. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna grind out, guys. I'm grinding out. So, guys, right now I'm just getting. Yeah, so much money. Should be left. I'm gonna grind out to 19 double jumps and get some better stuff. What's next? Is it Dragon Master? Like, no. It's Dragon Master. What was one? What do you want to trade, Billy? It takes 48. What do I trade? Father Ryan, see you guys. Okay. What do you want? Listen. No, I'm not. No. I might have to end the video. It's just really like a grinding one. I'm sorry, but I was checking out the new update, see what's new or not, what's true or not. So I'm just gonna maybe end the video. Right now, I'm grinding my head off right now. I really want enough. Take a while. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, the thumbs up button, the bell for notifications, and guys, the next time.